to the ground. You're dragging me.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the spring twist using Brazilian wool. And yes, this is the new Brazilian wool. As you can see from the start of the video, that it is a different pack of Brazilian wool. So this is the result. This is a total transformation. So I'm going to walk you through on how to make this by yourself from the comfort of your home. So just sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end so that you can basically understand every bit of it. So this is how the hair is. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can make this from start to finish. So I took a pack from the pack of Brazilian wool. It actually comes in 3 in a pack, so I took 1 pack just to show you guys how to make this. And then I have my straws with me and my bobby pins for extra security. So you just want to take out the Brazilian wool, just walk through with the desired length that you want. I wanted a shorter length, so I went for this length. So lovelies, this is how to do it. So I went ahead to making to just stretch this out, just the normal way that you actually stretch a braid extension. So I just stretched this out like so, just so that I can have that tip at the end, especially when it comes to coiling it. So this is how the hair is looking like. So lovely, just keep on watching so that you can basically understand. Right after you're done stretching it, you just want to take it strands by strands like so, depending on the size of spring twigs that you actually wanted. Well, I went for the medium size, which is actually this, and then I took my straw, being the fact that this straw is not the strong type, and they have different kinds of straw in the market, and I didn't see the stronger one, so I got this one, which is a soft one. So you want to make sure that you actually understand the straw, honestly, so that you can basically coil this well, because the first attempt that I tried, the thing was actually bending. I just had to, I had my way through on how to coil this. So this is basically what you'll be doing. Just want to twist your hands like so until you get to the very tip of the hair, and then I use my bobby pins for extra security. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video and pretty much understand it by yourself. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, I'm sure you like what you're seeing already, okay? So why not give this video a huge thumbs up, because this helps my video to get to a lot of people. So anyways lovelies, just watch this video to the end, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I'll be right in the comment section to answer them all. So lovelies, just keep on watching.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now I'm on the ground. I know I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.